Chess dying, I hardly doubt that's what it is. Okay, Baku's still winning every game. Sooner or later he's not going to win every game though. I mean, if he wins every game, so be it. Levy would cover a nice Magnus win or loss. Yeah, actually I thought it was funny. I covered Magnus's poor day yesterday in the Pro Chess League, and it's funny because I covered and everyone's like, why is Hikaru only covering Magnus's loss? And there's a simple reality, which is that you know, Magnus, when he loses, that's always a big hit on YouTube for whatever reason. H5, by the way, is an absolutely horrible move by me, but he doesn't take advantage. So I'll go knight d5. h5 is an absolutely abysmal move. What the heck am I doing? Again, just such poor play by me. Okay, now at least I can bring the king, but I'm not going to win this game quickly. I also have a dead bishop, which is a slight problem. Okay, somehow I need to activate. Thank you, NM Roberto Ramirez with the raid with 31. Thank you so much, appreciate it. I'm probably going to go f6 and e5 here, just because why not? There's still no way to force it though. Wow. I guess let's just go for it here. Like, I've got king e7, king e6. He doesn't even take it. Interesting. Let's go here. I think I'm gonna sack the rook. Why not? Why not? This is risky, sacking the rook here, but I mean, I need to win games. Like, if I don't win games, I'm not winning the event, basically. Check. Yeah, this is a good example where in 1-0, I mean, I would have won this game, but because it's 2-0, there really are no guarantees. Go here and take. Why did I? Oh, what's wrong with me today? At least now I probably can draw. This was so bad. Yeah.